In 2019, I was swindled out of $288,000. And yeah, and when life hands you 288,000 lemons, you make lemon and raised $288,000. And next thing you know, the locks were changed, bank account was moved, and you get on the list. And it was just like, oh no. I said to them, I said, well, I said, if it's my call, I'm going to pay back. And so I started this company in 2020, February the 2nd, right before COVID. Brilliant timing. And was able to launch Lemonade Property Services. And so we are now coming up, completing here our 5th year. I mean, you're literally letting somebody into your home, into the most confidential place that you have. It's your retreat, your palace, right? So we are offering a business model to where you can actually call Lemonade. And it doesn't matter. You can call us, you know, your friend from your networking group can call us. They can have their own personal property maintenance person. And that's Lemonade Property Services. You think about it, you get your own personal maintenance man. You can rent a man, Casey. Or maid, because we do deep cleans and whole house cleans. And you at the end of the day, it's one of those things where you can call us at all hours of the day. We answer the phone 24/7. I mean, at convenience. You might as well say, I could name this company Convenience. Okay. So ease of mind, stress free. We are there for you. We're affordable, we're quality, we're right here, we're local for the York County population. One of the greatest advantages that we offer is that we are eyes and ears on your property. We're going to clean your dryer vent out once a year in the spring, and in the fall, we're going to do basically everything except for the dryer vent. Most people can't even get their pest control for $63 a month. So the fact that you gutter cleaning and your pest control, honestly, we're here. We're not here. We're here for the life of your home, and we want to maintain it. And we want you to always use Lemonade. And then you can buy a Rent-a-Man or Rent-a-Maid bundle. And basically, it's an 8-hour bundle where you prepay, and we incorporate that into your monthly cost. So that would be based on you. That would be really close to, I don't know the exact number right here, but it's going to be really close to, like, I think 80, if I'm not mistaken, 80 cent dollars a month right now. And that basically gives you 8 hours to use throughout the year of free service, free of prepaid service. So, but that way you're not sitting there paying minimums all day long. Like, just to have someone to come out to your house to look at something very, very basic, companies are charging exuberant amounts of money. To some degree, it's justified because it cost me to send somebody out, but it'll be a 1 hour minimum, right? So you basically say, hey, I've got this, and we send out a guy, he takes care of it, or we send out a maid and they take care of it, whatever it is. We have different cost levels for the two, not based on gender, obviously, but based on the Rent-a-Maid is the cleaning, and based on the Rent-a-Man is the trades work, stuff like that. So, but yeah, so you can purchase prepaid hours. And here's the cool thing. How about this? The cool thing about our service is we do not limit it to one location.